Friends, welcome to our channel techformationgiver YouTube channel. Guys, today I am going to show you Xiaomi 12s Ultra, Xiaomi Brand 7 Pro, everything Xiaomi launch at this event. A look at this Xiaomi 12s series, Xiaomi Band 7 Pro and all other sort of Xiaomi launches. The highlight of Xiaomi 12s series is the Leica partnership. Xiaomi hosted its annual flagship launch event China recently. The event witnessed the company launching a range of new smartphones across its Xiaomi 12s series as well as some other products. The highlight of the Xiaomi 12s series is the Leica partnership. All three phones come with Leica branded camera and include Leica filter and dedicated Leica modes as well. Here a quick look at everything Xiaomi announced yesterday. Xiaomi 12s. The best Xiaomi 12s is compact smartphone that comes with a 6.2-inch FDD plus 120Hz AMOLED display. The phone is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 chipset and comes with up to 12GB RAM and 256 UFS 3.1 storage. There is a 15-megapixel triple camera setup and 13-megapixel front camera along with a 4500 mAh battery and 67 fast charging. This one starts at yuan 3999 for the base 8GB RAM option, going up to yuan 5199. And Xiaomi 12s Pro. The Xiaomi 12s Pro comes with larger 6.73-inch 2K AMOLED panel and will also come with Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. The phone also comes with up to 12GB RAM and 256 storage. There is a 4600 mAh battery here with 120W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. There is a 50-megapixel triple camera setup here as well. But the large IMX707 sensor is the primary sensor this time around. This version starts at yuan 4699. And Xiaomi 12s Ultra. The Xiaomi 12s Ultra also comes with a 6.73-inch LTPO 2K AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 and also features up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. Xiaomi has gone for a new triple camera setup comparing 50.3-megapixel IMX989 which has a 1-inch primary sensor from Sony. There's a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. There is a 32-megapixel front camera, a 4860 mAh battery and 67W wire, 50W wireless fast charging.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it.